I'm happy to be back again. My name is Engineer Irabo, the automobile mechanic and mechatronics specialist. I just have added a lot of things to my thesis which I want you to know. Before myself with my team, we have been dealing on only mechatronics, and most of my followers were having problem because they could not even finish understanding mechanic, and the words they are hearing from mechatronics were like very difficult for them. They have it difficult to understand even if I use the lowest language. So myself and my team, we now decide to go back and start also, as we are teaching mechatronics, to involve mechanic, in which we have opportunity to tell us, like the engine issue. When you talk about the combustion engine, you talk about the combustion engine don't work alone. You can only just have it in your have combustion engine, you expect to drive with it. Though there are so many things that that goes with a combustion engine to make up a car, that make up a car. If not, engine is an engine. And you also have the drivetrain. Let's first of all, the engine itself. You can talk about the cylinder. You can talk about the crankshaft. You can talk about the mixture preparation, which is like the injectors or the carburetor. You can talk about the cooling system. You can talk about the lubrication, and you can talk about the exhaust system. Only this is on the engine side of it. But what of if you talk of another side of it, which is the electric part? You talk of the starter, you talk of the rotor, you talk of the control electronics, and you talk of the power supply. All these are also parts of vehicle. And when you talk about the drivetrain comprises the clutch, the gearbox. We have a manual gearbox. We have a hydrodynamic torque converter. We have automatic gearbox. Before you talk of propeller, because before you talk of final drive unit, and the other side you have a differential. All these things I have mentioned so far, you cannot just have it alone and say the motor can move. You must talk of the vehicle body. You talk of the frame. You talk of the body. You talk of the airbags. Then let's go to the suspension system. You talk of the wheel system, suspension damping, the shock absorber. You talk of the steering system. You talk of the brakes. Then you talk of the wheel tires. Then let's talk of the electrical system. Talk of the power generator, the alternator. Talk of the battery. Talk of the electrical consumers. All this make up a complete car. And there are other accessories. Car information center. So please, I expect you to subscribe to this channel. What we decide to do, if we are talking about connecting rod, we will deal only on connecting rod. What it takes, the properties, and you know the good thing of it, everybody will benefit from it. We will do it to the extent that the ordinary car user will benefit and know what connecting rod is. We will do it to the extent that the mechanic that is repairing will know what to do. We will do it to the extent that the student that is undergoing school will now know his side of it, what to expect when during exams, the question to be expected. So that is why we will not rush. It will take time, but we will be daily on one after another till we complete the whole parts of the vehicle. So please subscribe to us and you will be happy. You have nothing to lose if you subscribe to us. You have nothing to lose. Thank you very much. And I will make sure the videos are not too long, short, but direct. Thank you as you subscribe.